Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. So today we are doing the part 1 of the free model unboxing. So when I'm recording this, there is a video coming out to the part 2 of a free model unboxing, but in this box there's also 3 models. So the so we are doing it today and tomorrow, for these models, and then on Sunday we are having the part 3 collection update, part 3 of the free model unboxing, and then on a Monday, on the last day of August, we are having the plane collection update 100 subscriber special video. So that's why I am trying to do all these unboxings before that. But before I start, please like and subscribe. And 3 models in there. All of them are for my Moscow airport, and they are all Phoenix models, so I'm quite excited for this. They are all from my computer store this way. Okay, there we go. And oh yes, we've got paper. We've got some paper. So there we go, as I said, AMS. Okay, so we have the Phoenix 1400 Aeroflot A320, first model. Then we have the Phoenix 1400 Aeroflot 737. So these 2 we are unboxing in this video. And then the third one, we have the Aeroflot 777 and the Sky Team livery. So these are the 3 models from the box. And these 2 we are unboxing today, and the 777, the best in my opinion. We are leaving until last. So whoops. There we go then. That's that. This out of the way. There we go. And now let's just get into it. So we will begin off, I think, with the A320. So I bought, but before I start, I will tell you why I bought these models. So these will be great for Moscow airport, and also I'm planning to have every type of airplane that Aeroflot flies. So now I'll have the A319, A320, 737, and that's my A319. Also Phoenix, so brilliant. So now I will need only the A321, A350 and Sukhoi SS100, which will be the hardest one to get in 1/400 scale. Oh, and A330 as well. But yeah, so 737 off to the side, and let's begin off with the A320. So let me show you the box. On the top there it says Airbus A320-200. You have your photo of the airplane there, and then you have your Aeroflot logo. Registration on this one is Victor Quebec-Bravo Romeo Victor 1/400 scale. This side very nice. You have your Russian flag there. Brilliant design. I always love how Phoenix designs their boxes, and the back is the same as the front. Alright, let's open it. This type packaging, NG and Phoenix does that. Okay. Oh, there's no plastic thingy where there is usually, and there's the model. Wow. Okay, everything is fine with it. So first one approved, no damage there. Brilliant. So there's the model. It looks great. Phoenix did not mess up on this one like they did on my A319. Alright, so let's go into the detail of it. So on the front there you have your cockpit windows, then the nose, the silver body, then you have your Sky Team logo, then you have Russian flag, the name of the airplane. You have your front landing gear, very nice. The front boarding door, the first antenna, and it says Russian, no sorry, Aeroflot Russian Airlines in Russian. Then you have your engine, very nice, it's not that too low to the ground, better than Gemini jets. Then you have your emergency windows there, you have your winglet, very nice, red as it should be. You have your more antennas, no Wi-Fi hub on this one, and registration once again is Victor Quebec Bravo Romeo Victor. The back boarding door, then it says Airbus A320 there, and the Russian flag on the tail. Let me give you a look at the engines, very detailed. I like this side. There you have your Aeroflot titles in English, and the underbelly. As I said, Airbus A320. You have your front gear, the main gear, Phoenix logo, the hole for the stand, and the nose gear. So very nice. So I'll wait. So we will rate it after the 737. So for now we are putting this off to the side there, and we will now unbox the 737. Let me just set up my phone. It's moving too much. It doesn't want to. One sec. There we go. Stay there. Stay there. Stay there. Okay, I think I have to put something else there. I'm trying to stand it, kind of. Okay, is this good? Okay, this will have to do. So on the top there, this is a different box design. I like that for every model, different box. Not like Gemini jets, the same box for all the models. So let me move it backwards. This bring it closer. So on the top there, it says Boeing 737-800. You have your Russian flag, the photo of the airplane. Then it says it's Aeroflot. Registration on this one is Victor Papa Bravo Romeo Foxtrot. Then you have 1400. This side, very nice silver. I like that. This side, and then at the back. Wow, I love this box design, right? So let's open it now, the model. Wait, is it zoomed in? Is this zoomed in? Yeah, it is. Alright, it was zoomed in, that's what it was. It's closer. Okay. So I would usually do this in 2 parts, but in 3 parts, but this time I am doing it in 2 parts. So there we go, that's the model. Again, no plastic, which is weird, but there we have the model. Wow. Oh, the nose seems a little bit dodgy. Okay, so we have the model here. There we go. So the nose, in my opinion, seems a little bit like the one wing is loose as well on this model. Whoa, these engines are way too low, Phoenix. Right. Let me zoom it in now. So here we have the cockpit windows, then the nose, Russian flag, the name of the airplane. You have your SkyTeam logo, the front boarding door, nose gear, one antenna there, the red stripe. Then you have your Aeroflot titles, Aeroflot logo, and then you have your engine, which is way too low to the ground. Moving on, you have your winglet here. You have your antenna, emergency exits. You have your registration, which is once again Victor Papa Bravo Romeo Foxtrot. It will focus. Okay, it won't focus. Then you have your Russian flag on the tail there, and it says Boeing 737-800. This side, look at that. quite nice detail on the engines. The nose seems a little bit like kind of, it could be done better this side. And then you have your no APU door, you have your main landing gear, hole for the stand, Phoenix title, you have your registration under the wing, and the nose gear. So overall, these are both good models. Well done, Phoenix, I like that. And with that wing, because I did say the wing is a little bit loose, but in fact, yes, it is loose, right? Oh my man, I don't know, this wing, right, it's loose, and I don't know, it didn't fall off yet, but it is loose, so that's kind of bad. Hopefully my 777 is not broken, but we will see. So now the 737 off to the side, and let's rate the A320 now. So Phoenix did not mess up the paint on these two models like they did on my A319. So I think the mold for this model, well, it does seem like a nice model. Everything is okay. The nose is done nicely. The winglets, the angle of the wings, this doesn't seem right. But apart from that, I think I'll give it an 8 out of 10 for the mold. Okay. So then. So then the gear, we've got the main landing gear, which does have a little detail, quite nice, that, and nose gear is as well good. So I think I will give it a 7 out of 10 for the gear. It could be a little bit better done. The detail, well, no Wi-Fi hub, but you do have all your antennas. The engines are quite nice detail, I like that. So I think I'll give it a 8 out of 10 for the detail. Okay, so then the final thing, the painting, yes, and Phoenix did not mess up here, as I said. It is red, not orange, like my A319, so there we go, it's brilliant. So I think 10 out of 10 for the painting. So the total for this model is 33 out of 40, which gives it the rating of 8 out of 10. As you can see, mode 8 out of 10, gear 7 out of 10, detail 8 out of 10, painting 10 out of 10, which gives it a total of 33 out of 40, which gives it a rating of 8 out of 10. Alright, and now the 737, we will rate. It's quite a shame really with this wing, it's not detached, but it is loose, so I don't know if I should keep it or just send it back or something, but anyway, let's rate it now. So the mold, this nose could be a little bit better done. The engines are way too low to the ground, just looking at. And overall, apart from that, I see no issues apart from this wing as well. How can I show you this? Right, so this wing, if you see, it's wobbly. So I think I'll give it, for this, because of this, 7 out of 10 for the mold. Okay. Okay. Now we have the gear where you have your detail quite okay. It does roll, so that's good. But I think the tires are a bit too black, so I'll give it a 8 out of 10 for the gear. Finally, the detail. Well, detail is quite good. You have all your antennas correct. I like the engines. So I think I will give it a 9 out of 10 for the detail. There's no Wi-Fi hub, but NG, I don't think they do it. And painting, well, again, no issues, 10 out of 10. It is red, just like it should be. So these were our scores. Mode 7 out of 10, yeah, 8 out of 10, detail 9 out of 10, which adds to a total of 34 out of 40, which gives this model a rating of 8.5 out of 10. So there we go then. This model 8 out of 10, this model 8.5 out of 10. I know this is quite a long video, but there we go. These are the two models here and this one coming out. So bye bye from me for today, and I see you back in the next video. Bye bye.